You are listening this dictation at onlinetayari.in.
The Assam government has sought 10 additional companies of Central Security Forces along with 5 units of Cobra Battalion to be deployed in the Bodoland territorial areas districts. Assam Home Secretary Mukti Gogoi yesterday said that the center has assured to consider the demand. He also said that the Assam government will soon write to the center asking for an NIA inquiry into the recent violence. Home Commissioner G.D. Tripathi said that 2 teams from CID will go to Buxa today to expedite the investigation of Narayanguri killings. So far, 22 people have lost their lives in Buxa district alone. IGP L.R. Bishnoi said that no fresh incident of violence has been reported during the last 36 hours. He said that around 350 people are taking shelter at a relief camp in Buxa district. Indefinite curfew is on in Buxa district while it was relaxed for 3 hours yesterday in Kokrajhar and Chirang. The Assam Human Rights Commission has directed the state government to conduct an inquiry into the BT80 violence and submit its report within 45 days. A single bench of Tarun Pukhan, member AHRC, taking suo motu cognizance of media reports regarding the violence, directed the issuance of notice to the government of Assam through its chief secretary to cause an inquiry into the genocide and the related violence. It has directed for the inquiry to be conducted through a high-level committee and asked the government to submit the report within 45 days. Bangladesh has agreed to allow India to use its waterways to Ashugang River port on Meghna, about 37 kilometers from Agartala, for carrying food grains from Kolkata to Tripura. Principal Secretary, Food and Civil Supply Department B.K. Roy told reporters yesterday that the Bangladesh government agreed to a request by the center to use its waterways up to Ashuganj port from Kolkata to carry 10,000 metric tons of food grains, and more than 500 trucks would be engaged in the process. Mr. Roy added that the distance between Kolkata and Agartala, vice versa, hilly areas of Assam by surface transport is about 1700 km, which is reduced to 350 km if the movement is through the plains of Bangladesh. Currently, Indian and Bangladesh waterways connect West Bengal and Assam states, and Inland Waterways Authority of India and Bangladesh Inland Water Transport Authority are operating Vessels on these routes stop.